patient Adam for my GI auscultation video for the MSAT. Adam, basically what we're going to be doing is palpating kind of 4 spots kind of on our stomach area. For that, we're looking for like tenderness, crepitus, which is like a weird crunchy feeling, pressure, and basically for like any abnormalities, right? So at any point, if you have like pain or tenderness while we do this, like just let me know, and then we'll kind of, like if we do have that, then like we won't like continue with what we're doing. That make sense?
Yep.
All right, perfect. All right, so we are going to start with the, you want to move your hands kind of wherever you want.
Yeah.
So right upper, so about right there. So we are going to start with lighter pressure. So nothing in there is tender, right?
Nope, not at all.
That's good. Excuse me, this is the left upper. I don't know why left and right? So in the left upper, the stomach is in there, the pancreas, the spleen, which is more like up under our ribs a little bit. I mean, if you didn't know, and there's also a little bit of our colon in there as well. So if no tenderness to that, what we do then is we just give you a little bit more. So instead of going like 1 to 2 centimeters in, we're trying to get like 4 or 5-ish. So it's just a little bit more pressure. Nothing should really feel bad doing that. Okay. And then moving on to the left upper, right upper, my gosh, is just to the other side. So same thing, we're going to start with that really light pressure, and then we'll just move from there. So in this quadrant, we're going to have the liver, the gallbladder, the head of the pancreas on this right side is more just like the tail of it. So that liver is kind of up under our ribs a little bit. So nothing's bugging you there, so we can go a little bit more pressure, kind of dig in a little bit. And again, nothing should be maybe uncomfortable because I'm jabbing my fingers in the air, but nothing should hurt.
Yeah, there's no pain.
Good. Everything feels good. There's some give to it. And there's no pain with me like letting the pressure off. Good. Okay. So then we will move to left lower. So in this, in female patients, there is the ovaries are on both sides. Obviously, this is a male patient, so that's nothing we're concerned about there. But a little bit more of the colon is out in this area as well, and that's really like important features wise. That's really just about it down here. Okay. So light pressure feels okay. So now we'll maybe a little bit more. Again, none of that rebound tenderness, right? Good. Then moving on to that right. So again, female patients, their ovaries are in those lower quadrants. Male patient, those aren't present. But on this side, the appendix is there, and this is also where like McBurney's point is. So this is one where like that rebound tenderness is like super important, because if there's like inflammation of that appendix, which is appendicitis, if I give you a little bit of pressure and then I let go, like that's gonna hurt really bad.
Wow.
So fun fact of the day.
Good, I don't have appendicitis.
Yeah, right. And then part of our colon is over here as well. The colon is just a whole lower, just different sections of it. So light pressure is okay, so we can dig a little bit more. Good. Let me check my assignment, make sure that's all I needed to do. Patient position, process, correct palpations, correct structures. That's it, we're done.
Thank you.
No